Okay, if anyone doesn't remember, I had a problem with the progressive snapshot, and it cost me $800 for repair. I'll put a link in the leading to the other video if you want to see it. So, onboard diagnostics, I for some reason kept calling it OBO, but this is the device, right? So their mechanic went ahead and found one of these, and I don't know where they got it from, but it never worked quite as well as I wanted it to. And so, but it worked because it controlled my doors, my window lock, my door locks, and up and down. And with the Prius, at least on Gen 3, all of these were automatic, which I really, really liked. However, if it got cold or rainy or wet or whatever, this stopped working as well. And so I thought, oh crap, I don't have $800. So I went to da-da-da, I went to Rock Auto, and I went ahead and I actually peeled her down, and I was like, well, maybe I'll go for a cheap one because I can't afford the $800. So I went and bought this unit right here, and I replaced it. It arrived right when it was supposed to. It was packaged well, and I wasn't going to use it because I had to start working again because the car started drying out. But then I thought, you know what? I should just plug it in. It's actually not that hard. It cost me a fingernail, though. I ripped off a fingernail in the process, so be careful. Find some videos on there that actually will help you replace this because it's actually one of the easiest things in the car to fix. Well, it turns out their $50 unit works beautiful. It works without a flaw. It works as it's supposed to, and it works way better than this thing did. Which way, with labor, I paid $800. In fact, the day I got the car after they installed it, they had some issues because I started driving away and it stopped working. Now, what's probably going on with this? Not that my mechanic tried to screw me, but what's probably going on with this is they probably got this secondhand, and sometimes there will be a hairline fracture in the board. And if you plug in, if you were to kind of do one of these, it'll work or don't work. I didn't care. I had a replacement. I plugged it in. I want to say thank you to everyone at Rock Auto. That was actually really cool. And I mean, they just sold me something, but I had the option. And so this Beck Arnie made a fantastic replacement piece. And I want to tell anybody else who's running into a problem like this, give them a shot. Sometimes $50 will save you multiple hundreds. All right, bye.